Welcome back, American Tradesman Channel. This is your first time joining us. We handle bulldozers, excavators, tractors, trucks. We do all kind of stuff around our own homes. We fix our own equipment. So if you think you might like that kind of content, check us out. Watch some more of our stuff. Click the old thumbs up down there. That helps us out a great big bunch. And if you don't want to miss anything, subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you know whenever new stuff comes out. Typically about every Friday. Right here we got a couple C&G tree planters behind a couple of John Deere 450s. One's a J, one's a G. And we're fixing to plant. There on the old 450G model. I really like that dozer. It's an old Georgia forestry dozer, and low hours, really well upkept machine. It's got a long V-blade on it that you don't have to constantly work up and down. As long as the dirt is halfway hard, that V-blade, you just let it float, and it does a fantastic job of getting junk out of the way. The blade on the front of my little LT right here, you'll watch me, I'm having a fight with it, but it still gets the job done. It just doesn't have as long of a V to it, and it's a lot more aggravating to use. Here you checking out old Trevor. He hadn't seen our other video. I'll throw a link up in the top up there for that video, but he has taken over my old role as a tree placement technician. Yeah, that sounds a lot better than riding a tree planter, doesn't it? But that's a tough ride right there. You see him look around, just had a tree, remnants of a tree slanted pretty hard. Well, we're right here just about the end of another video. Remember, hey, if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up down there. Throw us a comment. Let us know if you like it. And thanks for taking your time to watch our stuff. Appreciate it. Well, there's that little 7.5. All planted up. Pretty little trees in there. Maybe I'm holding that still enough you can see it. Cleared under the power line. And that'll wind that one up.